Good evening, students. Tonight's homework assignment is involving a slightly different process, so please watch closely. You will need to type in the Senseling address as you have done in the past, or use the link that I put into the wiki. It's sense-lang.org/typing, and then press return to get there. When you get to this screen, instead of going to Student First, go down to here where it says Take a Test and click on that. Then move down to this area where it says Start the Test and click there. At this point you'll get ready to take the test, but be aware that this time the test will involve all the letters, the numbers, some of the symbols above the numbers, so be aware of where those are before you get to them on the typing test. Click Start and take the test, and work as quickly as you possibly can. And I'm going to pause and go to the end and then resume. Okay, at this point you will see a score. Mine are not very good because I paused it while the score was running, and so I did not get a very good score, but I hope you will do much better than I. At the point you get this, leave this on your screen and do a screen print, which consists of the Command key, the Shift key, and then the number 3. So press down Command first, holding it, Shift and holding it, and then the number 3. You'll hear a click like you heard just now, and then I need you to go to your email program, and I need you to email to me the following things. You will put today's date, which is the 2nd of November, and the word test. And then down here, I want you to put test results, and I want you to copy the numbers you see on this screen in that space on the email. So for me it's 12, 40, 0, and 100. 12, separate it, 40, 0, 100. And then I want you to go up to where it says Attach a File. Click there. You'll need to go in your Finder or wherever you are in your computer to find your desktop, and then you'll see your screenshot, and whatever time you're doing this will appear at that point. Click on it and then click Open. It will load into the email, and when the loading is completed, if you've already put in the test results, you're ready to send it to me, and you click Send. Then I need you to go back to the typing test, and I need you to click Exit, and then I need you to log in as I've shown you before. You need to enter the class code, and I'm using another class code other than yours right now as my example, and you will see your name right up here if you have entered it correctly. Actually, I didn't log out before, so you should have seen a different screen. When you clicked on student and entered the class code, you should have seen a screen that requested your username and your password. And if you have not yet gotten that from me, you are way behind on your homework. Once you've logged in correctly, then you will see your name up here where mine says Hi Example Student. Also at this point, if you want to change your password, you can go into the View Profile area and change your password, but be aware that it needs to be 5 to 8 characters, either letters, numbers, or a combination of the two. You also need to enter your email address there, so in case you forget your password, they can email it to you. But at this point, I need you to click on Typing Test, which is this blue area here, and it should say your name here where it says enter your name, and then the test code for today's assignment is 001. Once you click on that, click Start the Test. Press the letter Start. This is a 20-second test, so it shouldn't take you long, and it just consists of the letters F and J and spaces. So please get ready for that before you click Start, and then when you click Start, the test will begin. I'm going to pause after the test starts so you don't use more time that way. test finishes, you'll see your results here. And at this point, you do not need to make a screen print because this information will go directly to the SenseLang computer, which will advise me as to the results of this test. So you can click exit at that point, and you can log off of SenseLang. All right. You can also spend some of the time doing typing games and things to reach your 10 minutes per night that I expect you to do in terms of keyboarding every night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So this concludes tonight's instructions. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing your homework listed as it should be on the SenseLang website.